process that nobody has seen. Some key points. We have a lot of longevity genes, and now we will focus on essential longevity genes. Why? First, they, by definition, should have features of antagonistic pleiotropy and to be most likely candidates for involvement in age-related diseases as well. Any manipulations with these genes at the early stages of life have no sense, because otherwise the lethal phenotype will be produced. But on the other hand, there is some optimistic point, because we can interfere with these genes later in life, and if so, all of you have still chances to rejuvenate, as I will try to see later. Here are essential genes, this group of genes, green. They are highly interconnected, much higher than any other group of genes we examined. Let's see what could be done with this group if only first of the interacting partners will be added. As you can see, they can easily be organized as a network, protein-protein interaction network, and let's call it longevity network. Okay. Now, another important point is that this longevity network overlaps with the network for major age-related diseases, forming so-called common signature. And it should be noted that many of genes in this common signature, in addition to longevity essential genes, are also essential. Okay, as my guys say, here we have, there is yet another evidence that life is pretty complex. What can we do about that? Let's, for the moment, complicate this network a little bit, and there we will try to simplify it again. As you can see, many of these genes could be regulated by microRNAs, and there are quite impressive number of targets. Now, I'm not sure, but it seems to me that it was Albert Einstein who said that the model should be as simple as possible, but not simply. And here, I think we get to the point of threshold of simplicity, because this subnetwork of common signature contains only microRNAs with their targets. What should be stressed here? If everything is good, nothing bad happens. If the proper function, the proper expression of microRNAs in these genes is maintaining, it means that integrity and functionality of this subnetwork is keeping. So, what could we do with this network? To make any gross interventions to these genes no sense because they are responsible for very important functions. But we can do it in a gentle way by manipulating with microRNAs or siRNAs, artificial. It's actually the same. Don't ask me which target here is the most promising. It needs a lot of additional analysis of changes of expression of these genes and microRNA profiles, but anyway, it provides a basis for such analysis. Anyway, you can find a lot of data regarding the networks associated with longevity and age-related disease on our recently developed NetAge database. You are welcome to visit it. Perhaps you already saw the poster. And now it's time to thank to my hard-working group. One can easily identify in this group Arya Budowski, yeah? And perhaps other members also. Rabbi Takutu, who actually developed this database, Amir Abramovich, Hagai Yanai, Gilad Lechman, and our pretty girls, Dr. Natalie Eisenberg, Lena Segel, and Meital Damri. Also thanks to Professor Marina Polson, my old collaborators of mine, and as always, it's traditional, I can say, because I presented on the previous SENS. Also,